In this video I'm going to show you how to find deleted files on iPhone. So if this video did helpful, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. So let's show you from beginning. So first of all, open files on your iPhone. For that, as you can see, here is files, or if you not find, then searching for file here like that. And if you not find also here, then open App Store on your iPhone, then searching for file, and you can find here, as you can see. Then open, and as you can see, here is lots of file, and then tap on browse and tap on browse here, and as you can see, here is options for recently deleted. So tap on recently deleted, and as you can see, here is all the file you find here that you deleted. So you can recover from here. Just press and hold and tap on recover, and it will recover it to your main file, and you can delete one by one. Just delete now and confirm, and it will be deleted from here permanently. You can delete all the files from here. Just tap on three dot menu and tap on select, and tap on select all. As you can see, all files selected. Then tap on delete from here and confirm it. So that way you can find deleted files on iPhone. So pretty much that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next